Let's start with the skincare. All right, look at this beautiful face. Look at this. Look at this cutie. Look at this child. This child. All right. First, we start with the steam to get rid of all that negative energy. So yeah, steam all of that. Oh yeah. Yeah. That sounded bad. We're gonna use Tim Dickinson's Witch Hazel, which is some type of lube. Some type of moisturizer, I think. Yeah, just wipe off all the dead cells, maybe. Make sure the little... Oh, right, she dropped it. Because I don't understand. What is that hole, the hair thingy? What is that? What's that even for, though? Pinagagawa mo, sis. Okay. Let's just clean all of that. Make sure we got that porcelain skin. Even the neck. That's what she taught me. Yeah. Next, we got Wonder Pore. Another moisturizer. No, freshener. Alright. Time to freshen up. Clean. Scrub all of that dead cells. Yep. Even the chin. Yep. Careful. Jeez. Hulog na yung... Okay. There we go. Careful. Okay. Scrub it all off. Di mo sinabi. Ano pala to? Facial. Okay. Next we got Claire's. What is that? That looks like another moisturizer. Jesus, ilan ba kailangan pang? Okay, this is the third one, I think. Just put it all on the face, all of that, and yep. Just apply it, massage it, apply and massage and repeat. Make sure the face is like the canvas, basically. And now we got lip balm, and then now we got another skin thing. Jeez. Okay, I think this time it's a moisturizer. Yan. Ooh. She got porcelain skin, girl. Alright. Wipe it all over. She's saying something. Mer, I can't hear you. Nobody can hear you. Okay, keep going. She's talking to somebody. Alright. Yep, she's talking to somebody. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Got that nice skin. Let me just ogle at her skin right now. Next, we got some type of collection. Some cute. Oh, cutie. Look at that. Oh, it's an... Oh, I don't like watching this. Alright, you're gonna put it in there. Make sure it's not going in. Yeah, I know, right? Put it in there. And... Yeah, she did it. My girl. Great job. Now let's just keep it like that. That way. Okay, she's gonna put the other one. Okay. I thought you were trying to pull off the green and blue type of... Alright. Oh my god, this is giving me anxiety though. Ah! Put it in! Okay, there we go. There we go. Good. Yeah, okay. Okay, she cried. Yeah, I know. Me too. Yeah. We all need men, to shut the fuck up. Okay, there we go. Got another moisturizer. I don't even understand how many layers she needs on this face. How does she not get pimples after adding too many layers on that freaking face? Okay, just put in more. Just rub it off. Rub it all in there. Damn, I wonder how it feels to have all of that on your face. And now you got setting spray, I think. Setting spray. Make sure, you're all fresh.
And now we start with the eyes. First, of course, we have to spoolie those brows, keep any unruly hairs out of place. And next, we fill in any blank spaces between the hairs, focusing more on the outer ends of our brows, creating that nice arch, smudging any imperfections, of course. And then we put brow gel all over that so that they don't change place throughout the day. And then we use this marker thing to put more detail and make it look more natural. Now she puts these sticky things on her temples and then adds what I call a base, or maybe that's what it's actually called, a light base on the eyelids. And then we start with a light mocha looking color for the eyeshadow, starting with the inner corner, dragging it towards the middle there, just above the corner of the inner eye. There we go. Blend that into the eyelid real nice. And then next we take this off-white looking eyeshadow and just right under that first brown shade we put, just put it there all over, further into the middle, and then blend that in nicely and add a little bit more for effect. Rightio. And then we take this even, oh no, it's the same brown color I think that she used in the inner eye, and then we make it into a cut eyeshadow effect, somewhat like an eyeliner there. Really nice. Winged eyeshadow, and then just add the rest of the product onto the first part, and then we add a darker shade, a more darker brown, underneath the first winged eyeshadow, and we create that eyeliner effect again. Pretty nice, and then blend it in properly like that. Really nice. Peel it off and look at that clean winged eyeshadow. Now she puts these eyelashes, first a little bit longer pieces on the outer corner of the eye, and then we add the full eye, what do you call them, eyelash, and then we add like an underliner there, just so that it's all neat looking. And then we add some mascara so the two separate eyelashes stick together, make them more firm so they don't come out of place throughout the day. That looks really nice. Right, just putting them in place, and then we add this brow liner, and then a little bit of concealer there.
Okay, she has that elf. Oh, what the hell was that? Okay, and she's putting that elf product on her face, I think. I don't know. Yes. I honestly don't know. Oh my god. But you know, it's something that you put on your face and you blend it into your face. Yeah. And then she is putting another product. Does it change her skin tone though? I mean, you know, like, oh, okay, it does. Okay, so yeah, you put that, I think, to even out your skin tone. I don't know. Yes. Okay, you know what? From here on out, I'm just gonna hype her up because I don't really know what's going on. Yes, girl. I'm so sad. Okay, next. Yeah, don't forget your neck, by the way. And then next, she just put it on a bunch of cream-based product. I don't fucking know what I'm talking about. But yeah, she's putting it again on her face. Yes. Wow. Okay, charm it, girl. And then next. Oh yeah, this is called contour. Wow, the only thing I know. Yes, and it's color brown apparently, and she's gonna blend it out. You know, I don't even fucking contour my nose. I barely wear any makeup. Wow. Okay. And then next she's putting on some product. I don't know if it's a highlight or if it's a powder, but it adds the dimension. What happened? Okay. Another powder? I don't even know, like, what's going on? Oh my god. You know what? I have a job interview in 2 hours and I don't really know what I'm doing with my life anymore. So here we are, supporting our friends. Hell yeah. Okay, so next she's gonna bake. Hell yeah. Oh my god, I know what bake is. Wow. but I don't know what it is exactly. I just know it's called bake. Now she's blending something on the, I don't know what this is. Oh my god. Now she's taking off that powder that she used to bake her face, and now she's gonna put on some eyeshadow on her lower lash line. Wow, yes, I know that. And then yes, oh, she's doing that effect now. Okay, so I don't know what the hell she used, but it's definitely gel based. I don't know. And now she's using some pencil. Pencil? Am I correct? I don't even. This is why I'm 24 and still single. I really don't know anything about life. Okay.
Okay, so for the finishing touches, we are going to grab our eyeliner and we're gonna our lip liner, our lip liner, and then we're gonna line our lips with the lip liner and spread it all over to achieve that puckered effect. That's the technique. We want our lips puckered. Yes, and then we're gonna add another layer of lipstick because we want our lips to be really out there, you know. And then another layer of lip gloss this time, because we don't only want our lips puckered, we also want it shining and again out there. So yes, we're gonna apply blush to achieve a flustered look, and highlighter, add highlighter to achieve glowing effect. We're gonna achieve so many looks tonight. Yes, apply it at the tip of the nose, under the brows, at high points of the face, and then for the last touch, what's that? Ano yan, sis? Ano yan? Ano yan? Ah, freckle, nice!